what's been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my home, or welcome to my home if this is the first time you're joining me here. My name is Ashley Marie and this is moving vlog number 3. It's going to be a cozy one, it's going to be a long one, so if you're not up for it now, I'd save it to your watch later, but otherwise just light some candles, grab a hot cuppa, your favourite blankie in your safe place, and let's get into some house updates. I've got this dresser that I've started. I will insert a photo up here of what the before was like. I've pulled it apart and I have painted it, so I will show you guys what colour I chose. As far as the actual seat itself, as far as like the wood, the foam and the material, that's all being replaced. Think along the lines of this. I want to do that. I've got a DIY art project that I've started and I'm a little nervous as to how it's going to go. I'll show you that shortly as well. We want to have a barbecue this weekend, so we're going to set up the fire pit area outside. I picked up some firewood, going through a full lounge and dining room tour for you guys. So this is the lounge room space at the moment. We have replaced the curtain rod for our own white one that's just from IKEA. Along with the curtains, they're just IKEA. You guys have been asking if I got a new couch and I didn't. That's actually still the horrible blue one underneath, but it's a couch cover I purchased off eBay. Please keep in mind, I didn't know how a couch cover was going to go, so I did go the cheaper option. There are some really good fitting, really nice ones, but I only got this one for $20. I'll have it linked down below if I can find it. This rug that you guys saw me put out, that is from Bunnings. Absolute steal at $79. My grandmother got it for me and I'm so appreciative. It's a long shag pile rug. The table's from the old house, that's from Fantastic Furniture. We've got some books there, little decor pieces you would have seen. This bad boy I put out was only $2 from Kmart. It's actually in the planter section, but I just thought it was cute as a little decor piece like that. If you've been with me for a while, you might recognize this one. It's actually Winter's old baby stuff basket. I just thought it would be smart to still use it because there's nothing wrong with it. I don't necessarily, she's not really a baby anymore. Like we don't need a baby stuff container. So that's just our little throw basket there. The frame's from Kmart and the print is from Desenio. This is actually an electric blanket. It's like a blanket that heats up, not one that you would put underlay on your bed, but yeah, it's like a heated blanket. That's from Kmart. More blankets. Sophie's favorite blanket. That's actually a pillow that matches the couch. I just chuck it in there. Sorry, that's just in a seagrass basket. I believe that's from Bed Bath & Table. Just my handbag there, don't mind that. This little space I'm loving. I'm feeling real vintage vibes here. I was thinking I might get like a rotary phone to put here. I'm not sure. Otherwise, I'm just going to put like a reed diffuser for the moment. This is a magazine holder I picked up from Vinnie's. I actually want to get vintage magazines to put in there. I think that would be so cute. The table is just from Kmart from a while ago, as well as the lamp. The Buddha was a gift, as they all should be. Clock is from Kmart, and I do love these sheer curtains here. We are going to have to grab some backing for them or a second pair because obviously you can see through. It's very muted. You can't exactly see what's going on, but you can still see what's going on if you're on the outside at night. So I do like how sheer it is though, and the light coming through during the day. So I'd like to keep that. Those are the owners that we've taken from the girls' bedroom. And I don't have anything up here at the moment. I actually don't care because that's our backyard right there. but it is cold, so we're going to have to grab some of those. The dining table and chairs is just from Fantastic Furniture, as you guys would have seen from the last house. This here is a toy box that I picked up for free off Facebook Marketplace. I just took the stickers off and I painted it myself. I think it looks really nice in here. I was thinking maybe I could get some foam and cover it with some kind of material and make that kind of like a seat. It would have to be for like only the children because the weight wouldn't be supported by a full-grown adult. But the funny thing about this is when Dylan's dad came over and he saw it, he said that Dylan actually had the exact same one when he was a kid. And when I mentioned that it had stickers on it, when I picked it up for free off Facebook Marketplace, Dylan's dad even could recognize, like he could describe the exact stickers that were on it because Dylan had the same one. So that's crazy. It's probably not the exact same one, obviously, but it's cool to think that Dylan's kids are now using it as well. This little space you would have seen on my Instagram already. I'm just actually obsessed with it. So the pampas grass I harvested myself from our old neighbors. Absolutely beautiful. I did decide to put all of our pampas grass into the one container. I'm going to purchase some more. So I just kind of wanted to keep the ones that I had done myself and I'm really proud of in the one container. The jar is just a cheap one from Kmart. That little statue there is from Kmart from a while ago. This unit here is from, I believe it's actually from Bunnings. If not, it's from the Reject Shop, again, ages ago. I've painted it and we've got a couple books here. If you are new here or you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so by clicking the subscribe button down below and joining my little family. Give the video a big thumbs up as per usual if you do enjoy it. It really helps to support my channel. But let's get into today's video.
They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool. But it was obvious, like, ooh, they would be together, ooh. One day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it beautiful. And maybe I'll call you my sweetheart, and promise nobody can steal me away. Then I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to know.
So I wanted to quickly show you guys the artwork that I was talking about. I'm going to paint it and then the cracking obviously from the plaster won't be there. It'll also all be the same color, but I will pop a photo of the inspiration that I had on screen and then I popped like my own little twist onto it. So I'm hoping that the storm brewing stays away long enough for me to get this painted. I wanted to give you guys a quick update on how the painting of the dresser seat went. So this is the color I chose and I gave it kind of like feather-like brush strokes because I did want it to have a bit more texture to it than just being like a bland matte plain color, like a flat color. We're only a hot minute away from winter here in Australia, so all of the fabric as far as like fake fur and any kind of like teddy bear fleece material is either sold out or through the roof expensive. I probably shouldn't have this so close to the fire, but I did pick up this huge, it's actually a dog blanket from Kmart. It's not huge, but for what I need, it's huge. This was only $12 as opposed to like the $35 to $40 I was gonna have to spend on like just a square meter of fake fur. I found that at Kmart for an absolute steal. Then we got some MDF board from Bunnings and then I got new foam from Clark Rubber. So my plan is just to cut the board. I'm going to adhesive spray the foam onto it. And then we obviously need to cover this bad boy over the foam and the board, but then we're pretty much done. We can just screw it all back together.
He looked at her and then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper, and started writing. Probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining. A something cliche like ooh. Baby, I only want you. It's true. And then he said, I wrote you a love song, and I tried to make it beautiful. It's a song about your sweet, sweetheart, and how nobody can steal me away.
Okay, so this is the finished result, and I'm actually so happy with them. I love how they turned out. They're so different, I know, but I love it, and I love that I made it myself, and it literally cost me, I don't know, like $13 for both of them. And then there's that sense of accomplishment that comes with the DIY project as well. I actually don't understand how people can paint and not get paint on themselves. Like, whether it be a string of paint, or I literally wipe it on myself, just like a habit. I'm an actual grub. Anyway, Dylan's going to pick up a couple of items this afternoon. He's going to pick up some drawers, and he's also going to pick up like a bookshelf. I think I'm going to have to paint the bookshelf before I'm happy with it, because it's a brown. But that's okay. He found them for an absolute bargain on Facebook Marketplace. What I am going to do though is I'm going to set up the jigsaw so I can cut up that wood this afternoon and finish the dresser seat. But I'm also going to pull out my like fake fireplace and put it inside, because I haven't done that yet, and I think that would be such a cozy touch to the lounge room. I also need a shower.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind, but I will make you forget.
These are the drawers that Dylan picked up for linen. Is that what you wanted them for? Yeah, we're going to pop all the linen in here, because if you guys didn't know, we don't have a linen cupboard. Yeah, we'll make it fit. I think it's just about folding. $20 off Facebook Marketplace. Dylan is so good with those kind of bargains.
Dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see you smile. Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax. All your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dancing till it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow.
Good morning, everybody. I have just come to Macca's and grabbed myself an iced coffee, and then I'm gonna head home. I've got heaps to do today, but what I'm specifically excited to do is I'm gonna finish off that dresser seat, and I want to do some baking. There is this, what Dylan and I call the school fete slice, because we went to a spring carnival, like a school fete here in Canberra, good 5 years ago, and the lady who made something for the cake stall had actually put all the ingredients on the item itself. I think it was more so for like allergies, things like that, but I have been able to recreate the recipe because she has put the ingredients on them. So I will show that to you. I have some cleaning to do because we have our initial inspection for the house tomorrow. Like, the property manager just comes around and sees, it's really more for maintenance, that sort of stuff, but I'd like it to be nice and clean.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Okay, so this is what I'm going to use to attach the material to everything. It's insane how good this stuff is. I don't even have any concerns that it's not going to stick.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know.
Like I said, that stuff is insane. I'm not even concerned that that's going to come off. In fact, I'm just more concerned that it needs to dry or it's going to get stuck to me, if you can see that.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
So I wanted to show you guys what it looked like. I've decided to put them in the bedroom. I haven't finished my bedroom yet. I'd be lying if I said I'd really even started. I need to get a few more furniture pieces for in here. But this is on opposite sides of the wall. Look, there was a little bit more cracking than I was expecting after the first coat of paint. And I was going to do a second one, but I actually love it. And if I don't, I can always take it down and give it another coat later if it begins to annoy me. But the texture was the whole point of it. I absolutely love how this has turned out. Okay guys, that's it from me for today's video. Thank you so much for spending the last few days with me. I'm currently just watching Seinfeld. Everyone else in my house is asleep and it's like 30 minutes before dinner time. Tonight we're having a butter chicken, so I'm going to get started on that one. But as I said, thank you for spending the last few days with me, and subscribe if you're not already. I enjoy doing these kinds of vlogs, and once we're past the moving stage, I'm of course still going to be doing them. So if you enjoy these, subscribe if you're not already, thumbs up as per usual, and I'll see you in the next one.